Jadi HKPD buat ke respons na kaliang kejong sebut Menteri Rambak Pak Prestur Kasong. Kemudian kesengi ngilek-iling baga kor social media buat kumjut kita long kor. Bau ba alaki kwa peniakren. Kejengkang juga sekretariat Kepli Arab Sabenta. Menengkong kebakan berfahai ketin yang sebut Menteri Rambak ujongi. Kalau mbak kani kamdei kasin kebanengkong kani kum kata ka bengiwan surprise bengiwan kendit manuan rai kani ke isu. Shua bengin mi madan ilabu lupa yang petition bat UCM bat tourism department minister jangka tourism bat kumjur support directorate ilabu yang petition kijing thok ki baper halor kani kamat hendrei ka sarkar jela bat kita ki department barok pelum lah kilong matla ki ngapjar kilong menti bat kilong kelut ya kita ki bengilap ha je kam dan jingmut isu sembut Menteri Rambak pun ong ngi baka jingkang kadang Kepli Arab Sabenta pada dai sisa baka jingkang juga sekretariat Kepli Arab Sabenta balai hang tugas ni nai terik ke bangi wan hakmat ke kerdop jaga sekretariat dikloi pia penyah du ndreu prangut kita ki security di jopi ban khang tum dam ni ka gate jaga sekretariat kani kadai ke ban kalian ke sarkar ki persang ban thami upaj ba ban kumjuru ni la pancan edukasi nengkong hadu menta kani kasi ke ban riu jaga jingsa jingit ke jong chairman jongi ke bakhlem bu put ni berpau ta koi ke message ba pada JIA chairman jongi udairu sembut Menteri Rambak upan syemi ka jingkit kli bat kumjuru kastan ke jongi ke nongrim ke bing yang scam ba deiban wengno sisundan mardor hi ya ka project nang tena belum pendek nambar sisin bapilaweng na kalian juga sarkar niru daka basuk pada ka jingkemen ini paino salaki yang kisam
Oh, it's like that one. Asal dua. Bisa. Bukan apa sih? Oh, bisa. Kau tahu nak kau? Pasang. Di tiada. Song. This is the critical issue. If it is life-threatening, we will not allow anyone to come between us. We will take it because it is not about. You are a lawyer, so you can come up with better clause in that. There's no right to die in there now.
Every citizen knows his right. He also
Right now-
knows his rights. That's why he's replacing civilization.
What I'm saying is, whatever right now, I don't know, I'm not a doctor. Whatever can be done here, tell him to medicine. It's not food.
Tell the government at least to seek every
I
month.
cannot.
See,
I didn't come here. I didn't.
it's very sad that till this day,
Somebody also to just come to us.
You've been saying this no for the last few days. Right now, just come for
tell the
this
government,
situation.
send the administration.
Things can deteriorate.
I know we are very well aware of that, sir. We're very well
We
aware.
are
are
very
next
well
also
aware.
to
We
do
are
that.
also
We're very well aware. These are we have been asked that here. These are false dates.
no. We're not. I'm not going to. We're not going to talk about someone's life here. And that is part of something. Okay?
Not about it.
solution to this is tell the government to call it off, we'll call it off. Simple as that.
It's also the idea to delete submission.
Can we arrange everything here, please? I am sure his friends will not come in the way for that because we have to make sure that his health is paramount.
If you make arrangements out here, maybe yes.
Maybe arrangements here will be.
But you see, we are not taking a risk to his life. Please understand
Yeah,
that.
we understand.
We're not taking a
We'll make
risk.
arrangements here.
Okay, I am not
But they will sit.
coming from tourism department or from anything else. This is just about his condition. Okay. This thing long term can have ramifications on his body also. I think doctor here is.
That's what we stand for. This is about long term of our generation.
Anybody has to take liability of it. It is the
Can
government.
you stick to the immediate interim topic first? Which has
Tell them to go away. I will not
Okay,
take any action. I
Tak.
will not take anything until and unless the government give us everything that they will scrap the project of Mumpang. Don't do it forcefully. I won't take any action. I won't go to hospital.
So, can you at least take some of the medicines that they are
No. No,
requesting you?
no.
But that will not be breaking your fast.
From day one,
That
I
will not
stand-
compromise anything that you are doing. But
No, no.
It's for a future generation.
yeah.
But then see, at least the government
you,
hear us.
you have protested peacefully for days. Aside from us, so ngiklam lang bawan kam da bukan tu lagi. Ngiklam crunch pang ta. No, masuk crunch pang find a way to at least we cannot have him in
Kalaban dong magilalong peaceful pula kata government.
Kam sim kya shu sura. Kem ni piwan of the government. At least send this message now to the government. Ni hang ni kat ni.
I will not. It's not that I will not send your message to the government, to my immediate superiors. I will
Lah si
ensure
chief
that.
minister, the deputy chief
Sabah
minister kat
nanti,
ni condition. Kita nak masih bandang ke kantin chicken kantin.
Indeed, you've come here for his life, for his safety. I understand that, but who's going to take liability of that if it's not the government? So we just ask you and urge you. You've come here from the district administration. We respect that, but kindly carry forward that message from our end also that we're not going to back down unless and until the government at least come to a solution. We're not here also to strictly oppose. Come to a solution. We're looking for constructive solutions here.
The only solution is seek to our demands. That's it.
Just
We'll
that-
call it off.
Just call Lumpong off. Just that. Nothing else. We're not asking for the entire 66 acres to be scrapped off also. 36 acres
Cut
of
ekran,
the island,
cut
that's
off.
it.
Come on.
Kelam kot dong.
Nothing from their end, from
Su
the government's end also.
you kan kira
Make an
tin kum ta.
attempt.
Mau di kwa gilong
If
serious
they are
te.
serious enough,
Cut
if
ekran.
they're serious about his life, serious about the subject matter, then
We will now wait for the.
we will take.
mình có cái thì phao trong một đấy mình dọ khi cần cả trần nhiên thì các bạn mình dọ cho các bạn độ năm là khi nông lâm trong cái green tech foundation thì là cái liang trong cái voice of the party trong cái Ricoh district di Wan ada di Jakarta Om Tangan Ai Kajing Kersan Andre di dapat pau itu Sofia kebakrau dor kemat kebati di kon sama tuan ra nak benda banyak dah yang di pun pengdeng badan di ko yam kau nak kaliang jogi hadian baik di bayu i snow ya kajing mi cakmat di sama ida Sofia do kata-kata nama tat do kali klikmat pemerintah nakaliam joka sokar kin paksyam badan kan penuh kajing penpau nakalitawan wenno ya kajing tu kajuki pantai ke resort pantai ko do lam pantai ko miam kani ke penpau ya kajing kuman sokar wat dengan jong kajing kersan jong bon ki pat ban persya ya ka jing tei ni ka jing tumu jung sarkar tei ya ka resort ham tei ko lumpang deng te kawai na kamat kapa ida sukya ka tei na marba ka sarkar ha bakale ito penuh ka kam don ka consultation na le ka jing penslow ni pa niyo iba ka umyam kaladon pa kajingma pat kajingma kadang sekala penonra kajing ke ibon pat kajing tu jong sarkar pa penonra itu di resort kadang wan ra syuk ya kajingma kepala ban ketak ya ubahun palang kantam na kamta kajai penriu kajungi tak kantam na kamta upai ba wasa ko ini menjadi kursi kerja ini petunjuk kursi ini balai yang kamta ka jingwan tuj kecakria ka kata facilitation kapa wan apo umyam kadang miksi kadang jor pakai se kajing wanra juga sarkar yang ka resort kalapan wanra dan kajing ke susu kalapan taru ya ki powerhouse ki penmi ya ki boarding elektrik hoy nakaliang jungi ngim khang le ni persya ya kan penuh investment ya kan penuh development Henry ke investment dan ke development ke dewan panuan rekat empat kejumentoy yang baik pak Henry ke ini kalau pak ketika cukup sarkar apa kawan rak ya kan ke project dan ke investment nam idon kalau ke jingkermen badan ai kejumentoy ya kipat pak no song tam akap no song jong ki badan bori boy pat kumju ya dari jungi de nomor kata ni don kata kecil korkom khat kecil snow ba Kariboy district kabajulong gari kabadap dakadut patgangap pat kaspa apau kerai i kumba menta kala kelalong gari kabadap dakadut patgangap pat kaspa kabadu UH te ikumba kani kejungan ra jong ka sarkar ya kani ka project kala ban kata ya imlang tasalang padangtam ya ki khon jogi ki khon ki jongi te de nomor kata ngiwan hne ya ka persya jor ya ka jingtu jong ka sarkar ban ya kersan lem ya kini khon samla bat kum juru ngida ai ka ketika diang ketika mon lembat kene ki nilam juga Gretek Foundation na ka bentaban persya ya kajing temu jong ka sarkar kajing sutu macam na bakani ka sarkar ka ba mentah kadon hakata ka stage mo kata ka komlong ka ba ajing mentoy tang ikat tu kat ni ki badon hagabor ka baki om tin pareng oligarki bat ngi ikum bakadi ke government kadon kata ke stage ke ba paro ke power kala concentrate bet tahikat tu kadne la kalong ke spa ke pau la kalong ke bor bat kunta ter ke ba kipat ba kiduk bor kadon mi isngi de nomor kata ngiwan hamne ya kapan ai ke jingkersan bersyaru ini ke ya kan ke project bat ha juga por ni ketu ya kiram pak snong tam kitu kisnong ki pamarcan jong ke umyam bat kinong song snong hero baki dia mi pat ba bani kersan baki di kun samla na ka benta kalawai ki kun ki jungi pat ka benta kalawai jong ki pateng ki jungi namar ba nioi baka de ka jing tu jong ki kun samla sisa kalong ka bayu isna ya kata-kata pat kepala ru balada nila sisa ka sarkar ka pomo lani ka pendam ya ketika jing persya juki pun samla bat jing persya juki pun di balang kermen ba ki pun ikti juki ke pateng juki kan em te sa sisir akan ka por na kaliang juki kum ka VPP na pori boy ni kentu ni aware ya ki pai ba nong song snong jong tu ki snong ki ba marjan rang ba snong jong kisan snong makin wan sane ban wan ai ke dikersan ya ki di pun samla bat khamtam ya ki pai ba nong song snong jong ri boy pa boy makin ai ke dikersan ki di pun samla ban persya ya ke jingtu jong sarkar te kata hai ketika mat ke bagi wan ke di pot tak banyak kerja dan baik itu paru di Sofia kabajor kalau ketika mat ke di pun samla wan pi kajing kran kajong udisi riboy lese kadai kajing kran kutlat ngat ke semua kota namar lese kajing pressure na kaliang jong ka sarkar ya kaban mo kaba kita kisan snong kin kong ulam ya ka sarkar henry habang yui ya ka statement kajong udisi riboy boong bakisan snong kidon pekat lam kia kongo ya menjur pat kajing tu jong ka sarkar Reitang hadin kat tukat ni om dak degi skir on reitang degi kenta kila pensai pat ba bagi south degi snong kim yadon benta akatu ka jing pensai jung disi tekan ni ka penpau yang jing long desperate jong ka sarkar ban pressure lan ban penurlong ba ya ketika project dan ketika investment kadi ban urlong te nga sngo ba kajing lam kajing kren jung disi kala ban ya lam bakla om tang ya ki pat song snong juga riboy re wat ki pat song snong juga state ke jongi tengah ngasngo tu puntai pi kane kade ka kam ke baso khia do kata-kata di nomor kata na do meneng kalau ong ba ka sarkar ha bakale kat kani ka project kam sim ni confidence jong ki nong song snong bakham tam ki nong yalam snong te pi barabor hi haba ka sarkar ka invest lane ka mau ki snai ki project ki repair kita bandon ke kenca ka report mau ka ba wan ki babun ki liang tenre ngayu ba kani ke project mau wat ya ki kam ki bade ban sim por arsnam laisnam la pendam la tang kita yau la ne tang ki benai I kam pakadon ka air salandan ka ba se baki takinong yalam ki badan ka sarkar kiron betalam bat kata bat kani ka company mo kan snai kani ka project te de nomor kata nga da kani kajing bom kajing penpau jung gitu kisnong ba nakaliang jong ki company nakaliang jong sarkar kim syam ka inosi kani ka bakhiat so khiado kata-kata te de nomor kata ngasngo banong ba kai ka ba niyo ka long balada ngisnai ka project ka ba sekolah giron kam sibon ki inosi ka bal esek ban syam da ki snam bat pendam Rekat bayi kan ikut projek kebakat kan ya kebakat ya ke imlang kasalang kebakat ya ke environment ikum ba kamdan jing ya ki te de nomor kata kadon ka interest jong nore ka bayi de bat kan ya ke projek semua kumta Kenapa katanya?